Food is memory, history, and love. Each dish tells its origin story. Jewish-Iraqi cuisine is a tapestry of flavor and tradition. Rooted in ancient Mesopotamia, it's tied to Iraq's history. More than recipes, it's living history. It echoes Baghdad markets and family warmth. Imagine cumin, dried limes, and sweet date syrup. Jewish-Iraqi food is a treasure of flavor and memory. For centuries, tradition blended with local bounty. Ancient laws met new ingredients, creating identity. Each dish carries generations of memory. Grandmothers teach daughters, sharing recipes. Families gather, laugh, and create lasting bonds. Simple ingredients become magnificent through artistry. It's a legacy on plates, a link to the past. History shaped every aspect of this cuisine. Jewish-Iraqi food is resilience and tradition. Food connects people and preserves heritage. This is a celebration of heritage and connection. To understand the food, we must first understand the history. The Jewish presence in Iraq dates back to the Babylonian exile, over 2,600 years ago. Here, Jewish and Iraqi life became inseparable, their languages, music, and food evolving together. Jewish cooks embraced local ingredients, dates, rice, pomegranates, eggplants, and spices, while adapting them to kashrut. The result, a cuisine both deeply Jewish and unmistakably Iraqi. Seasonal rhythms shaped the menu, refreshing salads in summer, hearty stews in winter. Kashrut inspired creative solutions, setting the Jewish kitchen apart while using the shared Iraqi palate. This long history ended abruptly in the mid-20th century, when most Jews were forced to leave Iraq. They carried their recipes as lifelines, preserving identity in new lands. Food became a vessel for memory, a tangible connection to a lost home. The Jewish-Iraqi pantry is a showcase of vibrant ingredients and bold spices. Rice, lentils, chickpeas, and bulgur form the hearty base of many dishes. Turmeric, cumin, coriander, and cardamom bring warmth and depth. Dried lime adds a signature tang. Fresh herbs like parsley and mint add brightness. Date syrup sweetens both savory and dessert dishes. Eggplant, tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers add color and flavor. Pomegranate seeds and molasses give a bright, tangy finish. These essential ingredients create the unforgettable flavors of Jewish-Iraqi cuisine. Technique is as vital as ingredients in the Jewish-Iraqi kitchen. Slow cooking as fundamental stews simmer for hours, melding flavors and creating rich depth. Stuffed vegetables or dolma are a labor of love and a communal activity filled with rice meat and herbs. Frying brings texture. Eggplant slices are golden and creamy potatoes become crisp aruk. The art lies in balancing crispy exteriors with tender interiors. Layering flavors is central. Dishes build from fried onions, browned meat, bloomed spices, and fresh herbs. Each step adds complexity, resulting in balanced, satisfying meals. These methods require patience and intuition, transforming humble ingredients into extraordinary dishes. Cooking is both a ritual and a way to pass down tradition. The result, food that nourishes body and soul. Shabbat is the heart of Jewish-Iraqi life, a weekly celebration where food brings families together. Preparations begin days in advance, filling homes with the aromas of spices and anticipation. The centerpiece is often pulao, festive rice pilaf with nuts and raisins, served alongside slow-cooked stews. Meze, colorful salads, creamy dips, and pickled vegetables adorn the table, creating a feast for the senses. A special treat is fried eggplant drizzled with date syrup, balancing sweet and savory flavors. Holidays bring their own dishes: silent glazed chicken for Rosh Hashanah, creative matzah treats for Passover, and hearty stews for festive gatherings. Each dish is more than food. It's a link to heritage, joy, and the enduring spirit of the Iraqi Jewish people. Every bite connects past and present, preserving tradition and sharing stories across generations. Tabit is the heart of Jewish-Iraqi Shabbat cooking. A whole chicken stuffed with spiced rice and giblets is buried in more rice and cooked overnight. Prepared before Shabbat, it simmers for 12 hours, filling the home with irresistible aroma. The chicken is seasoned with baharat, stuffed and nestled in a pot with golden rice and tomato paste. By Saturday, the rice forms a crispy crust, hikake, while the chicken becomes meltingly tender. Tabit is more than a meal. It's a symbol of Shabbat ingenuity and family warmth. Its aroma is the smell of home, connecting generations. This dish is a testament to the enduring power of food and tradition. Kuba is the crown jewel of Jewish-Iraqi cuisine. Far more than a dumpling, it's an art form. Grains like bulgur or semolina encase spiced meat shaped into spheres or torpedoes. Kuba comes in many forms, poached in tart soups like kube hamusta or simmered in beetroot broth for kube shwandar. Making kube is a communal ritual, requiring patience and skill, with recipes passed down through generations. Each variety tells a story. Crispy fried kube halab, delicate soup-filled versions, all symbols of hospitality. A bowl of kube soup is ultimate comfort, saying, "Welcome, and you are cared for." Kube is a cherished taste of home and identity. It's a dish that unites family and community. In Jewish-Iraqi tradition, food is the glue of community. Meals are events, rituals of warmth, generosity, and connection. The Shabbat table is where families gather, share stories, and pass down traditions. Food, tabit, fragrant rice, vibrant salads, serves as the backdrop for faith and family. Communal cooking in synagogues and community centers strengthens social bonds, especially in the diaspora. Even far from Iraq, sharing traditional meals preserves heritage and identity. Every meal is a living tradition, honoring ancestors and ensuring culture thrives. Jewish-Iraqi cuisine is a testament to cultural resilience. Though the community in Iraq has vanished, its food thrives in Israel, the UK, the US, and beyond. Younger generations connect to their roots through these flavors, while chefs adapt and celebrate the cuisine. Cookbooks and food blogs share recipes, keeping traditions alive and evolving. Food bridges divides. Each bite of kuba or date cake is a taste of history and heritage. The future is bright. Every pot of stew and tray of sambusak is an act of remembrance and hope. This delicious legacy continues to nourish and inspire, ensuring the soul of Babylonian Jewry endures.